Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the theme in the Audible app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu. And then tap on the clock icon in the top right corner. Then tap on theme. And here we have a few options. We can either set it to match device appearance, which means that it's always going to be in that mode that the device is in. So if we have dark mode set on the device, it's going to be in dark mode. If we have light mode, it's going to be on light mode. And if we have adaptive mode set up, it's going to use that. Or we can just set it to light or dark mode. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.